Now today let me introduce you our 67-liter driver box.
Comes with twin turbo, 2100 RPM, 360 degrees 3-dimensional circulation air, fast drying.
The dryer comes with negative ion electronica and also a UV disinfection function. Also with a lighting mode. We have a different driving mode to adjust, and also we can press the temperature and reduce the temperature like this. Also the time and the wind speed. Also we can through this window to comfort your pets. Contact us to get to know more about Tempera Pet Driving Box.